Right, everyone. None of the other YouTubers will tell you this, but what I'm going to tell you now is the reason why everyone looks like they're selling and panic selling. It's nothing to do with that. It's the tax. So in the UK and the USA, the way the tax works is around April. So everyone, like the end of our tax year is April, and the start of a new one is April, as well as January, around January as well in both countries. But this is the change in the money wise in the tax year, and this is when people are taking the money out. They have to pay the tax, so they're taking money out to pay the tax. That's all they're doing. They're not panic selling. And all the other YouTubers in crypto world, they're all saying, "Oh, people are selling this, people are selling that, blah 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 blah." It's nothing to do with that. It's just the tax. It's the tax month. That's it. They get a month to do the taxes now, or a couple of weeks to do the taxes in April. So end of February, around the 20th of February to the 15th of March, you'll see loads of dips, a lot of dips. And this is because the big companies have to pay tax. The small people have to pay tax. And that's what they're doing. They're paying tax on all the crypto, whatever they do. Taking a bit of money out, a couple thousand, couple mils, depending who they are. And yeah, so just bear with it. After the 15th of March, you'll see the markets fly back up. And I'm saying that because I believe the lowest peak of the crypto world and the markets will be March the 15th, but it'll start majorly on the March the 10th and then drop from there. So if you're going to get in and buy some new coins, I would say probably work around the 15th of March. Don't know what time. I'd say middle of March or the middle of the day, and then work off that. But yeah, 15th of March will be the lowest day. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, do whatever you want to get this video about. But people need to know this, because if you look at the stats from last year, you'll see March was the lowest drop. Bitcoin dropped around this time and then shot back up. Look at it. It was 3,300 when I was going to buy it, but I wanted it to go to 3,000, not 3,300. So I didn't take that risk. So this year I have took that risk, and now I'm up around, I'd say over the last 2 days I lost about 9,000 from the dip, but that's not losing. It's just because I'm gaining. That's all I'm doing. I'm still up around 8 grand. So I've got 21,000 NUCYPHER, and I've got 3,700 GRT, the graph. I'm on COINBASE. I don't believe in having all the other exchanges, because even though you sell, you don't get fees that high to burn your money. If you're a long-term investor, you're not going to pay all these fees, so the fees doesn't really matter in the long run if you're looking to sit on the money. People also don't get emotional over the crypto world. When you let emotion rule you, that's when you lose money, because you're going to panic sell because you believe the news and the mainstream media and the government officials and stuff. So if it was really true, don't you think billionaires would be selling their shares as well, and their stocks and their stuff? They're not going to sell because they've been doing this for 50 years. Have you ever noticed a billionaire to sell all his shares because he's panic buying? No, because they don't get emotional. If you look at the market since the 1980s, probably 1985, you'll see that the markets are always going up, even though they look like, if you look at it over a day or a year or a week or a month, they look like they're dropping a substantial amount. But when you look over the all and you press all, you will see that the markets have been going up and up and up and up. So we're never down if you use your head and if you use your mindset. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and get this video out there. Share it to all your crypto friends, and let's get on this worldly manner and get this money stacked. I believe that we're gonna see a big rise from around October 2021, and we'll see from there. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe, share, and comment.